Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Note down the question. Your question is
The question number 8.
yes. Question number 8. 5 pens and 6 pencils. 5 pens and 6 pencils cost rupees 36.
So please
Together,
repeat.
5 pens and 6 pencils together cost rupees 36. Full stop.
Yes, sir.
Full stop. If the cost of full stop के बाद लिखिए if the cost of each pen if the cost of each pen is rupees 5 more than if the cost of a pen is rupees 5 more than a pencil, if the cost of a pen is rupees 5 more than a pencil, if the cost of a pen is rupees 5 more than a pencil, comma, find the cost of a pen and a pencil. Find the cost of each pen and pencil.
So given the answer.
Given the answer. Correct. Navya, cost of pencil is correct, but cost of pen is not correct.
Okay, sir.
Sir, please repeat the question. I got disconnected. Means what they have find.
5 pens and 6 pencils together cost rupees 36. If a pen costs rupees 5 more than a pencil, if a pen costs rupees 5 more than a pencil, comma, find the cost of each pencil and each pen and each pencil. Each of a pencil and a pen.
So please check mine.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Aditya, your
Sir,
answer is
can
correct.
you please repeat the question?
5 pens and 6 pencils together cost rupees 36. If a pen costs rupees 5 more than a pencil, if a pen costs rupees 5 more than a pencil,
Please check mine.
find the cost of one pen and one pencil. Navya, correct answer. Saksham Sahu, correct answer. Laksh Kumar, not correct. Laksh Kumar. Aditya Kumar, correct.
Sir, we have to tell of one pen or total pen, total cost of all pen.
One pen, one pencil.
Sir,
Sir, I have tell of total all.
No. You have to find the cost of one pen and one pencil. So let us assume that the cost of one pencil is rupees X. One pencil, let us assume that the cost of one pencil is rupees X. ठीक है? तो one pen का cost कितना हो जाएगा? X plus 5. Because it is given that the cost of pen is rupees 5 more than a pencil. Now 5 pen and 6 pencil. 5 pen की cost कितनी होगी? 5 into X plus 5. And what is the cost of 6 pencils? 6 into X. 6 एक पेंसिल की कॉस्ट x है तो 6 पेंसिल्स की कॉस्ट क्या हो जाएगी 6x. ऐसे ही 5 पेन की 1 पेन की कॉस्ट x plus 5 है, सो 5 पेन की कॉस्ट क्या होगी 5 into x plus 5. अब ये टोटल कॉस्ट मिला करके इट इज गिवन टुगेदर दे कॉस्ट 36. So this is the equation. 5x plus 25 plus 6 is to 36.
Sir, I have sent the answer again. Please check.
11x.
Sir, 11x.
X is equal to 1. So that means pencil की cost is rupees 1 and pen की cost कितनी आ गई x plus 5, that is rupees 6.
6.
Yeah. Aditi, correct answer. Laksh Kumar, correct. Yeah. Ready for the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, what will be timings of UT?
Okay, beta, I don't know anything about this. You are asking from a wrong
So, sir,
person.
we
I
so
have
sir,
no
we will have
regular.
regular classes or not?
I have no value in this school. I am just a very small teacher in this great school. So I am no one to answer this question. You should ask the coordinators, the principal. मैं तो एक छोटा सा मतलब बहुत ही मतलब
Sir,
एक
what?
क्या बताऊं इतना छोटा टीचर हूँ मैं इस स्कूल का. मेरी क्या वैल्यू है यहाँ पर? तो
Sir, what is the
Sir, you are our class teacher. You
हाँ,
have a good value.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
बस यही है और क्या जिंदगी में। Beta, as soon as I come to know what are the timings, I will definitely inform you all about the timing.
Okay, sir.
The
Date
timing of what?
Sorry,
The timing of what?
unit test. Unit test की timing पूछ रहा है आदित्य मिश्रा। लड़का परेशान रहता है।
Sir, I have sent you the answer. Please check.
बेचारे को 2 दिन से नींद नहीं आई है यूनिट टेस्ट की टाइमिंग की टेंशन की वजह से।
No, sir, मुझे कोई टेंशन नहीं है.
I'm joking.
Sir, I have sent you the answer. Please check.
Kartikeya has sent the answer. Yes, beta, correct answer. Okay, so the next one. Yeah. The cost, sorry. 7 cups
Sir, please repeat the question.
and 3 plates. 7 cups and 3 plates. Starting से बोल रहा हूँ. Seven. This is question number 9.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Cup
sir.
and 3 plates. Together cost rupees 1110. 1110. Full stop.
Yes, sir.
Full stop. After full stop, if the cost of one plate, if the cost of one plate is, if the cost of one plate is 10 times the cost of one cup, if the cost of one plate is 10 times the cost of one cup, comma, if the cost of one plate is 10 times the cost of one cup, comma, find the total cost of, find the total cost, comma, find the total cost of 4 cups and 4 plates. Find the total cost of 4 cups and 4 plates.
Sir, 4 cups
Sir,
and 4
this
plates.
question have both unitary method and linear equation.
Yes, it is a combination of,
This is fully QRD.
yeah, this is a one.
Sir, we have to find the total cost of 4 cups and 4 plate.
Yes. Find the total cost of 4 cups and 4 plates. May I write the question or you all have written it in your copies?
We have written,
Written.
sir.
Okay. Start doing.
Sir, for how many cups and plates we have to find the cost?
4 cups and 4 plates. Total cost.
Sir, given the answer.
Very good.
So sent.
Sir, is my answer correct?
Correct answer, Krishna and Mishra ji, both of you. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
So send the answer.
Very good.
So is it correct?
Yes, correct answer. Kush.
Sir, send the answer.
Total cost you have to find, Alind. Total amount.
Yes, sir. Cost of 4 cups and 4
Not
plates.
not separately. The total price. दोनों को add करके. Okay.
So we have to find the cost of and 3 plates.
Find the total cost of
Okay, sir. Total
4 cups
cost.
and 4 plates.
Okay, sir.
Laksh Kumar not
Sir, I have
correct.
sent.
Laksh
Sir,
not
send.
correct. Aditya Kumar not correct. Alind correct. Aditi Gupta correct answer. Very good.
Sir, my is correct.
Aditya Kumar not correct. Some mistake is there. Mishra ji, your answer is correct. And now you are giving the cost of 1 cup and 1 plate separately also.
Yes, sir. वो मैंने आंसर पहले ही दे दिया, मैंने ये भी दे दिया.
Free. Offer में free मिला है. So it is given that. Look at the solution. Yeah, it is given that
Sir, now please check.
1 plate costs rupees. Sorry, the cost of 1 plate is 10 times the cost of 1 cup. So if the cost of 1 cup is X, then the cost of 1
X.
plate will be 10x. Got it?
X plus.
Sir,
10x.
please check my now.
Sir, then 10x plus x equals to 110.
No.
7x
No, sir.
plus
Sir, 7x plus
30x.
30x. Yes, sir.
Is
7
equal
plus
to-
7x plus 30x.
Give correct answer.
7x plus 3 in bracket we will
This is
write 10x.
cost of 1 cup and this is the cost of 1 plate. X and 10x. Now, what is the cost of 7 cups? 7 into x. Cost of 3 plates, 3 into 10x. Cost of 1 cup and cost of 3 plates. इन दोनों को add करके the total cost is given 1110. If you add these two, the total cost is given 1110. Got it? Have you all understood the equation? Easy, eh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
10x plus 30x is equals to 110. 1110.
Yes, sir.
So 37x is equal
Sir,
to
can you please explain
So
again? I got
37
disconnected.
30 का. So 37 30 is equal to 110.
X equals to 30.
Sir, can you please explain from the third step? I got disconnected.
yes, Navya. First, you will assume that the cost of one cup is x, cost of one plate will be 10x because the cost of one plate is 10 times the cost of one cup. So it is 10x. Now the equation, it is given that 7 cups, that means 7 into x, and 3 plates, 3 into 10x, cost of 3 plates. The total cost of these 7 cups and 3 plates is given 1110. So this is your equation. Solve the equation. 7x plus 30x equals to 1110. That means x equals to rupees 30. 1110 divided by 37 is 30.
Okay, sir.
30. So you have got the cost of one cup. What is the cost of one plate? Cup की cost आ गई है. 1 cup rupees 30 and one plate the cost is rupees 300. 300 is the
30
cost
into
of
10, 300.
one plate. Okay. Now you find the cost of 4 plates and 4 cups. 4 into 30, this is the cost of 4 cups plus 4 into 300. This is the cost of 4 plates. इन दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे. That means 120 plus 1200. This gives you rupees
1320.
1320. Answer. Got it?
Yes, sir, it is very easy. Sir, next question.
Yeah. Next one. Note down. Again, QRT. Ready, all of you?
Sir, this is
Yes,
QRT.
sir.
Yeah. It is a QRT.
Sir, ready. Ready.
Note down. In a 3-digit number, not a 2-digit number, it is a 3-digit number. In a 3-digit number, the digit at the tens place,
So please repeat the question.
in a 3-digit number, the digit at the tens place
Yes,
Aditya
sir.
Mishra, please mute yourself.
is 3 more
Okay.
than the digit
Sir, 10th place is
The digit at the tens place is three more than the digit at the 100.
Sir, please say the question. Your screen is coming late.
I'm speaking. The digit
Yes,
in a
sir.
three-digit number, the digit at the tens place is three more than the digit at the hundreds place. Is three more than the digit at the hundreds place, and is three more than the digit at the hundreds place, and two less than the digit. डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा थोड़ा सा ज्यादा नहीं and
Sir,
two less
that's why
than
it
the
is
digit
QRT.
and two less than the digit at the ones place. Full stop. If 495 is added to the number, if 495 is added to the number, the digits are reversed. That means number उल्टा हो जाएगा.
Sir,
It's
I will ask one thing.
huh?
Sir, the reverse here means it's a 490. For example, there is a number 45 and it reverse it became 494.
अगर 495 है number, if the number is 495,
594.
594. Okay. मतलब
Okay, sir.
जो डिजिट आपकी वंस प्लेस पे थी वो हंड्रेड्स प्लेस पे आ जाएगी, और जो हंड्रेड्स प्लेस पे है वो वंस प्लेस पे चली जाएगी, टेंस प्लेस वहीं वहीं पे रहेगी. ओके, द डिजिट्स आर रिवर्स्ड. ठीक है, फुल स्टॉप. फाइंड द नंबर.
Sir, question number 24 in book, but it's
सॉरी, okay, do you want any help in this, in the starting of the question?
No, sir.
no, sir, no,
We
sir.
can do.
Okay,
Yes, sir, we can do.
nice. In a three-digit number, the digit at three tens place is three more than the digit at the hundreds place, and two less than the digit at the ones place. Very good. वाह, क्या क्वेश्चन. Beta, I am going to tell now.
Sir, wait a minute. Equation is
please
made, only
wait a
solution
minute.
is left.
Just
Sir,
1 minute.
please wait for 3 to 4 minutes.
1 minute. 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Okay, now I am going to tell.
Only 2
Sir, I
minutes.
found the answer.
Yes. tell
I
me.
think so. Sir, I'm almost X is coming out. Sir, X is 1 in my one's place is 1 in mine. Sir, mine answer is coming wrong.
But I won't be able to explain the question in 3 minutes. Only 3 minutes are left.
Sir, please explain now, sir.
Yeah.
Please tell now.
Yes. Okay. So let's talk about the number. Number has 3 things. Hundreds place. There are 3 digits in the number. Hundreds place, tens place, and ones place. ठीक है, 3 चीजें हैं नंबर में. Hundreds place, tens place, and ones place. These 3 things are there in the number. Now, can you tell me? Look at the first statement. In a 3-digit number, the digit at the tens place is 3 more than the digit at the hundreds place, and
Yes,
2
sir.
less than the digit at the ones place. इसको स्टेटमेंट को पढ़ के सिर्फ इतना मुझे बताइए कि which digit is the smallest. तीनों में से सबसे छोटा डिजिट कौन सा है? hundreds place वाला,
Hundreds.
tens place वाला या ones place वाला?
100
Sir, 100.
Hundreds place वाला सबसे, क्योंकि the digit which is at the tens place वो hundreds place वाली से 3 more है, तो मैं hundreds place वाली डिजिट को x मान ले रहा हूँ. tens place पे क्या हो गया? x plus 3, and this digit is also tens place वाली जो डिजिट है इससे तो 3 more है, but ones place वाली से 2 less है. The digit which is at the tens place is 2 less than the digit which is at the ones place. है या नहीं है? यानी कि ones place वाला डिजिट जो है वो सबसे बड़ा है. तो if tens place digit is x plus 3, ones place वाली डिजिट क्या हो जाएगी? x plus 3 plus 2. इससे 2 ज्यादा और बड़ी हो गई. ones place वाली डिजिट इज द लार्जेस्ट. डू यू ऑल एग्री? तो ये कितना आया? x plus 5 आ गया. आर यू ऑल गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? ये हो गया x, ये हो गया x plus 3 एंड दिस इज x plus 5. ये देख लीजिए टेंस प्लेस वाला जो डिजिट है, इज इट 3 मोर देन द हंड्रेड्स प्लेस डिजिट? एम आई राइट और नॉट? इससे 3 बड़ा है.
Yes, sir.
और
Yes, sir.
दूसरी चीज भी चेक कर लो. Is the digit at the tens place 2 less than the digit at the ones place? Ones place वाली से 2 छोटी है या नहीं है? Do you
Yes,
agree
sir.
or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is your number? Original number. Original number इस बार कैसे बनेगा? It is a 3-digit number. Multiply the digit at the hundreds place by 100. 100 से multiply कर देंगे. Plus टेंस प्लेस वाली को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, 10 into x plus 3। जब 3 डिजिट नंबर होगा तो 100 प्लेस वाली को 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, एंड द डिजिट एट द टेंस प्लेस इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10, and then the digit at the units place, which is x plus 5. This is your original number. Okay, if the meeting ends, can you all join again for 1 minute?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.